Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove objects from video in CapCut application. So this tip is gonna be able to be used on the video that have less movement for the background, as well as the bright background or like white color background. So here is the tip. Let's take a look first for the clip. And now I have this object with this background, and I would like to hide these holes on the walls. So the things that we have to do is copy the clip. By click the clip, and after that we need to slide this part into the left side until we found copy. Here the tools, and after that in the second clip we need to make it become overlay, and we need to slide into the right side back until we found this overlay tools. Now that you just need to go click it. Whenever you already make the second clip become an overlay, we need to drag it like exactly the same position with the first clip. And after we did it, just go click the overlay part, and after that we need to find a mask. This mask tools will be symbolized by this, and you just need to go click it. Now make sure that you are choosing this circle, and now we just need to find the samples that we want to make it as a cover. So for example, this wall, I would like to make it smaller, adjusting it. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to drag it. Oh no, first just go to this checklist button, and after that you just need to drag the clip into the part that you want to hide the objects to. You can also adjusting the size if you want, adjusting the positions too, make it hidden as possible. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click randomly anywhere, and now let's just take a look for the result. So that's the way how to remove or hide an object from video with a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe for another more video tutorial.